Yer, what up? We got a package from Nike today. I think it's I believe it's the Starfish. It's the men's first release on the app. I don't know if the stock was low or they just haven't got a bunch of their stock. I haven't seen them drop a bunch. The sneakers didn't have them a lot, I know that. Probably backdooring everything now. Let's see this. Right there. Box. Hopefully my address isn't showing, but who cares? We got a size 10W. W's. Ooh. Material, definitely not no shattered backboard, but wow. What are you doing, dog? If I get out. Fucking dog's tripping, bro. If I liked orange, I would definitely wear these. Like, this is too bright for me. The material, this is the best Jordan 1 low that has dropped in the past since, I guess, when they had the OG swoosh, so like 4 years ago. The material is nice. It's kind of like the Travis Scott material on the toe box. The leather on the orange is nice. Not amazing, but definitely nice. Look at that, bro. It's printed on, not embroidered. Embroidered. Shoe's amazing, bro. Shoe's really nice. Comes in a normal Jordan 1 box. I'm holding these. I'm gonna try to get more because I feel like people are sleeping on these just like how they did on the shattered backboards, and they will go up crazy. My resale prediction on these within 4 to 5 months, probably $500-600, I bet. Maybe less, a little bit more, I don't know. We'll see. But leave a comment below on this video and let me know what you think about these, if you got them or if you want them. I'm gonna save them in my collection. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.